Hi, welcome to my piano lesson. I'm Hiroshima. In this lesson, I'll show you how to play Honesty by Billy Joel. Okay, here we go!
If you search for tenderness.
Okay, intro part chord progression is B flat minor and B flat minor over A flat and G flat major 7th and F 7th. And left hand is B flat and 2 A flat, 2 G flat and F. Okay, B flat, A flat, and G flat and F. And right hand is okay. First note is F and B flat, and next A flat, B flat, and D flat, and F. And next G flat, B flat, and D flat, and F, and G flat, and G flat. And next A and E flat, and G, and A, and D. Okay? Okay, both hands together.
If you search for tenderness, it isn't hard to find. You can have the love you need to live. If you look for truth.
Okay, verse part, first chord is B flat major. Left hand is B flat and right hand is B flat and D and F. And next chord is E flat major 7th. Left hand is E flat and right hand is D and G and B flat. And next chord is F major. Left hand is F and right hand is C and F and A. And next chord is F over E flat. Right hand is keep this and right hand is F2 E flat. And next chord is D minor 7th. Right hand keep this and left hand is E flat 2 D. Okay? And next chord is E flat major 7th. And next chord is G minor 7th. Left hand is G and right hand is B flat and D and F. And next chord is A minor 7th. Left hand is A and right hand is C and E and G. And next chord is C minor 7th. Left hand is C and right hand is B flat and E flat and G. And next chord is F 7th. Left hand is F and right hand is C and E flat and A. And next chord is B flat and C sus4 to C. Okay, C sus4. Left hand is C and right hand is C and F and G. And back to C major. Left hand is keep this and right hand is C and E and G. And next chord is F over C. Left hand is keep this and right hand is C and F and A. And next chord is A 7th over D flat. Left hand is D flat and right hand is D flat and E and G. And next chord is D minor 7th. Left hand is D and right hand is C and F and A. And next chord is E flat major 7th. And next chord is A 7th. Left hand is A and right hand is D flat and E and G. And next chord is D7 sus4 to D7. Okay, D7 sus4, left hand is D and right hand is C and G and A. And next chord is D7. Left hand is keep this and right hand is C and G flat and A.
If you search for tenderness, it isn't hard to find. You can have the love you need to live. But if you look for truthfulness, you might just as well be blind. It always seems to be so hard to give. Honesty is Honesty is such a lonely world. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is hardly ever hard, and mostly what I need from you.
Okay, chorus part first chord is E flat major 7th. Left hand is E flat and right hand is D and G and B flat. And next chord is F 7th. Left hand is F, right hand is C and E flat and A. And next chord is D over G flat. Left hand is G flat and right hand is D and G flat and A. And next chord is G minor 7th. Left hand is G and right hand is B flat and D and F. And next chord is G minor 7th over F. Right hand is keep this and left hand is G to F. And E flat major 7th and F 7th and back to B flat major. And next chord is D 7th. Left hand is D and right hand is C and G flat and A. And an E flat major 7th and F 7th and D over G flat and G minor 7th and G minor 7th over F and E flat major 7th, F 7th and a B flat.
Honesty is such a lonely world. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is hardly ever hard, and mostly what I need from you.
That is for today's lesson. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe here. Thank you. Bye.